Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa Fiorentino. I'm the Senior Editor of Content Strategy here at Host Beautiful. We are doing a spring shopping haul. So I went to Anthropologie, Pottery Barn, and Target and got a bunch of their cutest things that they have for spring and warm weather, and I'm going to show it to all of you, and we're going to be linking it down below so you can shop all of it if you're interested. So I'm going to start just by showing you everything I got at Anthro. So I have a big bag. One second. Honestly, it's all glass, so I have to be really careful with it. So first, I got this really pretty spoon rest. It's pretty simple. It does have like a little hole in it. I don't know if that's like so you can hang it up or something like that, but it just has this really beautiful, almost like a paisley or even an iCat print on it. It's got some teal, some darker blue, purple, lilac. I just thought it was so cute and pretty and something to put out on the stove or on the counter for when I'm cooking this spring. It was $14, which I thought wasn't bad. I mean, that's pretty good for Anthro. I don't think anything says spring more than just like this really pretty pattern all along the bottom, and there's like a couple butterflies flying up at the top. The print wraps all the way around the glass, and then it has this little spout for when you're pouring. So I bought this for the house, but I also just thought it would be nice at my desk so I can stop using plastic cups and I can just fill this up at the water fountain and be pouring into a regular glass all day. This guy was, let's see, $28. Definitely worth it. Then I got these really, really pretty juice glasses. I think they're called the Lola juice glasses. They were $14 each, but I got two with these little bumblebees on them. And then I got two more to match, except these ones, they have little ladybugs. And they're nice, kind of like thicker glass with this white rim across the top. And so I just thought they were really pretty and fun, and I'll use them with my carafe. Those are $14 each. I don't really need this. I just thought it was really pretty, and I want to switch out all of the spoons in my canisters. Like I have a sugar canister and a coffee canister, and I'm going to switch them out for these pretty printed spoons. Each one has a different print. And yeah, like I said, not necessary, but really necessary because they're so cute. The set for 4 was $32. Okay, last thing, because you cannot go to Anthro without coming back with a candle. They have these new candles for spring that the jar is just like a pretty color, but then the lid has sort of this like ceramic flower on it. So I can pop that off and show you guys. It's really pretty, and obviously it smells amazing. It's called Wild Honeysuckle. So just trust me, it smells good. But they had other flavors, scents there. I think there was like a pink jar, but I went for the yellow just because I thought it was a nice pop of color. And this was $32. I'll show you guys what I got from Pottery Barn. So I got this set of 4 pink gingham napkins, and I don't know, I think gingham's pretty classic and kind of like a cute print for spring. So I'm just gonna set these out on the table whenever we have Sunday brunch. So the set of 4 gingham napkins is actually on sale right now for $24 for 4 of them, so I would go buy them right now if I were you. The next set of napkins are these pasture bunny napkins. So it's just this bunny print. I mean, how can you not? How can you not love the bunnies? The bunnies for Easter, the bunnies for spring. Yeah, I think I might layer them on the table like every other place setting. Somebody gets a bunny, somebody gets pink gingham. The bunny set is also on sale for $19. I mean, that's a steal, I think. Next, I got a couple things for the bathroom. So I got this pink jacquard towel set. So this is the hand towel, and then this is like the bigger bath towel, and I'm just gonna like layer them. Oh yeah, that looks really cute right now. But I'm just gonna layer them on top of each other. These start at $22.50. I think the smaller hand towel one was $22.50, and then they end at about $36.50. So the bigger one would be that higher price. And then to go with that, I saw this striped tassel bath mat or bath rug, whatever you want to call it. It's not the exact same pink as the towels. It's more of like a dusty rose. I actually think that's like legit what it's called on the website. But I don't know, I loved it. Like the stripe detail and the tassels at the bottom. Like I said, just to switch it out for spring, I think it's such a fun buy. This was actually $49.50, so like a little bit on the pricier side. It was like a little bit more expensive than the towels, but I think it's worth it. And I can use it every spring. Here's another thing I definitely didn't need but couldn't walk away from is this cute little bunny ear ring dish. So you can put rings on either of the bunny ears and then also just like lay them down in the dish. I have a lot of rings, so I mean, I guess I do kind of need this, but yeah. This was $19.50, so you cannot skip it. For The kitchen, I bought this sort of like ceramic basket weave bowl. I'm gonna put Easter eggs in it, and then when I'm done with, you know, when Easter's over, I'm gonna put fruit in it in the kitchen table or on the counter, and I just thought it was really pretty. I think this is on sale too, $22 if I'm not mistaken. And then I have 2 more things from Pottery Barn. So these are actually for outside. They're a little bit big, so let me just grab them. The first thing is this Lily Pulitzer floor pillow. Obviously it's super bright, like right on brand with Lily Pulitzer. I love their collaboration with Pottery Barn, so I try to get something from it every time they do this. And I just thought this floor cushion was so fun and like such a poppy bright color. It's actually an outdoor floor cushion, so you can bring this outside and people can sit on it when you're having like picnics or barbecues or fire pit, whatever. I just like couldn't really walk away from it. This is $129 for the outdoor floor cushion. It came in some other patterns too, but I just like really liked the pink and the blue and the green. And then to go with that, I got this matching patchwork quilt. I'm sure this could go indoor obviously, but I think it's also cool for outdoor. I want to take it to like the park or just like lay it out in the backyard, like I said, for picnics and whatnot, or even just like instead of a towel, you could use this at the beach. And it has a lot of different prints on it because it's the quilt patchwork. Like I'm not going to open it right now, but you can see all the different prints that are included. So the patchwork quilt I think starts at $199 and it goes up to $299. I think it just depends what size you get. This is the full queen. Last but definitely not least, I'm going to show you guys everything that I got from Target for spring, and we got some really good stuff, so this is really exciting. I'm just going to start with the one thing that I got for inside at Target. It's this really beautiful cake stand from Hearth and Home. That's Chip and Joanna Gaines' line, if you didn't know. It comes in this color, which I am calling Jade, and then it comes in sort of like a quartz pink color, but that one's sold out. So if you're gonna grab it, I would go for the Jade. Honestly, like my personal favorite, this green color. It's only $20, literally $19.99. So I mean, you can't go wrong. Actually, everything I got at Target is under $50. So let me show you some of the other stuff. First, I have this really fun outdoor pillow. This is a cockatoo pillow. There's another one that they sell that's like clearly the same brand and same line that has, I think, a flamingo on it, but I feel like everybody does flamingos, so I wanted to do this guy. He's really fun and cute and tropical, and the colors are so bright. It's like sort of this really light pink kind of coral, but then a deeper, more rich pink, and then two types of greens, and then the white, and obviously these little white palm trim across the edge. And I just thought this was so fun, like for outside on like white wicker furniture. And yeah, the material is like really durable. You can tell it'll be okay and it'll be weatherproof. The next 2 things are from the same line. It's called Opal House, and this is an outdoor pillow. It just had really fun just like details, the little fringe here and some knots that I thought were cute. And this guy was also $19.99, so again under $50. So then to go with the 2 pillows, I got this Opal House outdoor throw. So again, with like the tassels, that's clearly like a thing that's happening right now for spring summer 2019, and I'm not mad about it. So this was the Opal House outdoor throw. So I'll just hold it up and just block myself here. Yeah, so that is the throw. It's not even a coral, it's more like a pinkish salmon red with some green, white, and navy detailing, and I thought it was really cute and that it matched the 2 outdoor pillows that I got. So this is on sale right now for $31.50, which is honestly not a bad deal. Last thing, this outdoor rug. I don't even know how to describe this pattern. Like at first glance, I thought it was kind of like coral reef looking. It's taller than me, 5x7 coral outdoor rug by Threshold. Let me see how much I can open it up to. Yeah, okay, well I can't unravel the whole thing because this is as far as my arms go, but I thought it would look really pretty with the pillows and the throw blanket. And yeah, it's an outdoor rug, so super durable. You can tell that the weather's not going to get to it. And I got the 5x7 because I just didn't want it to be too big. This guy is also on sale for $41.99, so under $50. Everything I got was under $50. I think I spent less than $150. I don't know, I'm not good at math right now. So that is everything that I bought for spring. I'm gonna be linking everything down below, so if you're interested in buying any of the things that I showed in this video today, you can find it down in the description. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below, tell us what else you want to see on the House Beautiful channel, and we'll be back with more haul videos soon. Bye!